student. Today we are going to start about the difference and similarities between diffusions and facilitated diffusions. The first difference between diffusion and the facilitated diffusion is a definition. The movement of molecule from area of higher concentration to the area of lower concentration is called diffusion. While the On the other hand, the facilitated diffusion is the movement of substance from higher to lower concentration through transport protein which are present in the cell membrane is known as facilitated diffusion. In case of diffusion, the molecule they move across the cell membrane or they may move without any cell membrane. So the presence of cell membrane in case of diffusion is not necessary, but in case of facilitated diffusion, transport protein is necessary. The second difference is the rate of diffusion is very low while the rate of facilitated diffusion is very high. Here the rate means the movement of molecule from higher concentration to the lower concentration, but how fast they move. In case of diffusion, it very low. Well, in case of facilitated diffusion, the rate of diffusion is very high. So, in case of facilitated diffusion, the rate is very high. The third difference is may or may not be include the cell membrane. Like I study in the definitions that cell membrane may be present or it may not be present. Well, in case of facilitated diffusions, the cell membrane protein they are involved. The other name for the cell membrane protein is membrane transport membrane integral protein. So their present is important for the facilitated diffusion. In case of diffusions, small or polar molecules. In case of diffusions, small or non-polar molecules they can pass through the membrane. Well, in case of facilitated diffusions, large and polar molecules are passed through the transport protein. For example, in case of diffusions includes the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Where in case of facilitated diffusion, the transport of glucose, sodium ion and chloride ion are included. So these are the difference between the diffusions and facilitated diffusions. There are some similarities between diffusions and facilitated diffusion. The first one is that they both are passive transport. Passive transport does not require any ATP or energy. So the both processes do not require any kind of energy or the molecule they are moved from area of higher concentration to the area of lower concentration. That is along concentration gradient. So in both cases the molecule they are moving along the concentration gradient. So that was all about the difference and similarities between the diffusions and facilitated diffusions. If you like this video, share it with your friends and fellows and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.